welcome to this YouTube channel with me, Dhias RD. Today, I want to show you the tutorial video how to DIY a flower from used Origami'S paper. Exactly, you can use another paper like your book, magazine, newspaper, or paper mat. Do you wonder, guys? So let's move to the next video. Okay guys, before that, you need to prepare all the materials. So now I want to show you all the materials. So the first one is Origami'S paper. Let me see this one. Origami'S paper is the main material that we use to make the flower. I was bought it when I was in senior high school. And the second one is glue. The glue is used to stick something. And the third one is bottle. The bottle is used for make the face of the flower. And the next one is the board marker. The board marker is used to write something. And the next is pen. The pen is used to make a sketch. And the next one is scissors. The scissors is used to cut something. And the last one is knife. The knife is used to cut the bottle. So guys, let's go to the steps. Okay guys, the first thing that you should do is fold the paper like this. Okay, do it carefully and repeatedly. Okay, the second one is pour the paper like this. Oh, you need to do it slowly and in love because it will influence your product. If you make it with love, I believe your product will become the beautiful one. And the third one is fold it into shape like kite. And fold it. Yes, wait. We should make it shape like kite. And then fold it again into a beautiful flower shape like this. So the next step is insert 2 fingers into the paper and blow it. Yes, don't use all of your power to blow it because it will make your flower explode. And the next step is open the flower petal like this. Do it carefully so that it looks bloom like this. Can you see the beautiful one? So the next step is make a stem. You need to roll up the Origami'S paper like this. Okay, do it patiently. So this is the final look of the stem, and you need to put the glue to stick this paper. Don't forget to make the leaves to make it more beautiful. You need to take pen and make sketch of the leaves like this. Okay, and then you cut it, and then stick the leaves by the glue. Put it on the stem, and then take the flower and insert the stem into the flower. So guys, it's all my flowers. And the next step is using the bottle to make the face of the flower. You need to cut the bottle by using the knife. Okay, like this. I already made it. Okay, and then cover your bottle with Origami'S paper like this. To stick the Origami'S paper, you need to put the glue on the Origami'S paper like this, and then you stick the Origami'S paper into the bottle like this. Okay guys, this is the final look of the face. You can add something like the love shape or the bird shape into the piece. And you can also use your board marker to make something that you love. So the last step is put all the flowers into the piece like this. Okay. Okay guys, that's all my tutorial video for today. Hopefully you can inspire to make a DIY from all the things around you. And don't forget to like and leave your comment below, and also subscribe this YouTube channel. Thank you for watching me. See you next time. Bye.